Welcome to The Quarter, located in the heart of Broad Ripple, right off the Monon Trail. Come enjoy a traditional New Orleans cocktail experience with Southern-style eats. On the exterior, we installed Sonance speakers all around the building to provide high-end surround sound audio from the front door to the patio. We also installed IC real-time cameras for a state-of-the-art security system covering every inch of the exterior, including the parking lot. On the interior, we installed high-speed Wi-Fi access points and networking, the TV and Sonance speakers in combination for an unmatched ambience and dining experience. Lastly, we also installed the IC real-time cameras in here for security. If you're a fan of live music and chill, then this is the perfect place for you. Enjoy live piano every Wednesday and Friday, as well as karaoke every Sunday night. Whether you're biking on the Monon Trail or out and about in Broad Ripple, be sure to stop by and check them out.